आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. The question is the tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electrons to itself when forming a chemical bond is known as. Okay. So we have been given with a statement and we have to say what is that property is called, and we are given with 4 options. Say electron affinity, electronegativity, ionization potential and nuclear charge. Okay. So what is the statement is actually saying means, so consider a molecule, say HF molecule. So we know that there is a single bond is present between hydrogen and fluorine, and it is also known that a bond is made up of 2 electrons. Okay, so here we have 2 atoms, say we have hydrogen and we have fluorine. Here fluorine is the most electronegative element. Okay, so what this fluorine will do means it will tend to attract this shared pair of electrons towards itself because it is more electronegative. So what will happen, this bond will distort like this as the electron density will go towards this atom. Okay, so because of that this bond will go distort in like this. Okay, and because of this electron pulling of this fluorine atom, what will happen, this hydrogen will attain a positive partial positive charge and this fluorine will attract a partial negative charge. Okay, so this property in which the fluorine is attracting the electron pair, that is the shared electron pair towards itself, is what is known as our electronegativity. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is very simple, that is electronegativity. So let us check the other options also. So in option 1 we have electron affinity. So electron affinity is nothing but it is the energy released. Okay, say for example we have an atom, say X, it is in its gaseous form. So what you are going to do, we are going to add an electron to it. Okay, so during this process what will happen, this X will attract, this X will take an electron and will become X minus, and during that process it will release some sort of energy. Okay, and this particular energy is what is called as our electron affinity. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. And next we have third option is ionization potential. Okay, so what is ionization potential? So similarly we are taking an element, say N. Okay, and it is in its gaseous form. Okay, so what you are going to do, we are going to supply some energy, and during that process what will happen, an electron from this metal will be ejected out, or an element from this element will be ejected out, and because of that it will become a cation. Okay, M plus. So this is especially the exact opposite of what we have, that is our electron affinity. Okay, so the energy which we supply to knock out the loosely bound electron in this atom is what is known as our ionization potential. So this is also not our answer. And finally we have what is called as nuclear charge. So from the name itself we can say nuclear charge is nothing but the charge in the nucleus. Okay, so we know that the nucleus is made up of protons. Okay, so it is the it is the charge, the total charge that the nucleus, that is the protons, possess, is what is known as nuclear charge. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is electron affinity, that is the property to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself because of the electronegativity differences between the two atoms present in the bond is what is known as electronegativity. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।